Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now this is the easiest way to draft and cut male pants. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to like and leave a comment on the comment section. Yes guys, now this is the material I'll be using in the video. It's a crown material which is about 42 inches long. I folded the material into two, selvage to selvage. At this point I'll start measuring our pant. On the upper part I'll measure 1 inch because I don't want to use the selvage part when sewing, and then on the bottom part I'll measure 2 inches. Then I'll just take my ruler and connect the two marks like this. Just connecting them. I'm enhancing the lines to make sure you guys are seeing it well. After that, I want to start measuring the lines. I'll start with the full length, which is 37 in this case. Add 2 inch allowance. Then I'll make a straight line on the 39. After that, now we want to measure our crotch line. In this case I'll use 10 and a half. Your crotch line will depend on how huge the person is. After measuring the crotch line, let's now go to the knee line. I'll use 19 and a half. Then make a line on it, a straight line. After that, I'll just go ahead and label the lines. That was our crotch line, this is our knee line, and then we have our full length down here, which is about 2 inches. So at the top we want to measure our waist. You divide your waist by 4, then add, because it is a pleatless pant, we are only adding 1 inch at the waist for the allowance. Then on your crotch line you take the total length, which was now 9. You measure 9 on the crotch line, and then you draw a vertical line rather. Now around the crotch line we had 40 inches round. Now I'll divide that by 4. You have 10. I'll measure the 10. The distance between the vertical line and the mark, you measure that, and whatever you get there, which is 1.5, you measure the 1.5 on the vertical line to make a curve like that. At the bottom we're using 7.5. I'll only had a half an inch at the bottom part. Then I want to connect the marks from the round bottom to to the mark on the crotch line. Just take my ruler and connect as I'm showing you. If you don't understand what I'm doing, guys, just look at what I'm doing. You connect the lines like this. And that's what we have, as simple as that. Now I'll just label these as the front part. Now for the back part, we'll just put the front part on top of the material that you are left with. On the upper part, leave about 2 inches. Around the crotch line, measure 2.5 inches. On the neckline, measure 2, and then around the round bottom, just add 1 inch. So I'll make a line at the top to meet the waist like this, and then on this other side I'm not adding any allowance. I'll just straight the front part as it is, then connect the marks that I added for the back allowances. After I'm done, I'll just go ahead and cut.